Here we have something a little different. We have a 2016 M235i coming in for an air intake. But first, let's talk about the exhaust. It recently got M Performance carbon fiber tips. These are the black chrome ones, looking clean to match that carbon fiber wing. Not bad. And it also got a muffler delete as well. You can see that high flow white pipe right there coming out to the tailpipes of these carbon fiber tips. Air intake that we have going on this BMW today is an AFE air intake right there. This is the filter. This is the tubing. This is the housing, like the little box it sits in, with a little AFE glass plastic right there. We got Matt taking out all the stock stuff right now. Small stock air intake running over into the turbo over there. This is a M-Line 6 turbo. It's not a B58 though. I remember they called it something else back in 2016. But, you know, still pretty quick, still pops and bangs. And this right here is the stock O2 sensor for the air intake. This is what the computer is going to read to let it know that there's air going into the engine. If you lose this, you're basically
What do you think?
air intake is all set and ready to rock. With this air intake, you're looking about like 18 plus horsepower, and you get better fuel efficiency. Now, AFE is one of the best rated air intakes for BMWs, for any car to be honest, and other air intakes are on our website at Gexhaust.com. There's a bunch of air intakes you can get: Corsa, K&N, AFE, engine, but AFE and Corsa are really the most that you're gonna get. There's also Aventuri as well, comes with a carbon fiber option, and AFE has some carbon fiber options too, but then you're looking more on the high end side. Matt's gonna go in there and rev it. You're gonna hear what it sounds like. So there you have it. You have the M235i BMW with the AFE air intake. Fun fact about the AFE air intake: they also make it for my car, the Supra over there, but they call it Takeda. Same thing, same AFE, same filter, same box, everything. But for, I guess, the Japanese line, or they call it Takeda, a little different, but still AFE. You can get these parts from Gexhaust.com or pull up to Davie or our Oakland location. Get your car sounding right. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the links in the description.